Hi, my name's Natty. I'm a gangster by day and I'm going to attempt to make something out of nothing. In this case it's going to be an omelette, which I have no idea how to make. Never been in the kitchen because, you know, with me being a gangster, everything's done for me. I've got my henchman Steve who's going to be in the background. He's going to give me some pointers how to do it. But, well, hey, just follow me, watch how I make an omelette. Right. Let's have a look what's in the kitchen. Okay, we got some tomatoes, we got some onions, we got some mixed peppers, I think, yeah. And there's some salmon in there. And I've got some olive oil as well as butter. What I think I'll do is I'll use a bit of butter and a bit of olive oil, mix it up so it doesn't stick to the pan. I think that's the way to do it. I'm sure my mum did it that way, but hey, we'll have a go. Right, I'll start with the onion, the red onions first. And the only things I know about chopping up are, you know, fingers and few heads and stuff, but hey, here we go. We'll attempt to do an onion, chop an onion. Bloody hell, I don't even know how to open up. I don't even know how to open up the bloody packet of onions. Right, here we go. Big fat red onion in my hand. Just grab a knife. God, this brings back memories. Right, I think this plate will have to do. Hey Steve, how do you peel an onion?
Cut it straight down the middle.
What, with all the skin to it?
Straight down the middle through the root.
Right. Oh bloody hell! That nearly took my hand off.
Okay.
Don't laugh, Steve. I told you I
sorry.
can't do it.
I'm not laughing, I'm encouraging you.
Yeah.
Okay, straight down the middle now, peel the skin back.
I'll do it off the small one, yeah?
Yep.
Small one, yeah. When you say peel the skin back, as in...
Just peel the skin back over the actual flesh of the onion.
Hey, here we go, that's easy. My God, this will be something out of nothing. Especially with me in the kitchen. As I said, chopping up fingers is a lot easier. Okay, I've done that, Steve.
Okay, now so just slice the onion as you want to. Stop. Okay, perfect. Now turn that on its side and start from the outside in so you get nice thin slices.
Like that?
The other way around. That's it. And then start from the outside in and get some nice thin slices.
Outside in, I'm left-handed.
Well, that's it. We'll start from the inside out.
There we go.
There you go.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's going to be enough after that onion.
Yeah, I don't want it too strong. That'll do. Right, so shall I put the onions back in the fridge? Well, I'm not going to use, because I've seen some tomatoes in there. So we're going to get some tomatoes which are in the fridge. Some baby plum tomatoes. Yeah, baby plum tomatoes which will need chopping up. I think that'll be the next best step. So you think, Steve?
Yes, just in half I think it will be enough for those.
Well, just one or two?
Yeah, one or two.
Okay. post. Two tomatoes ready to be chopped up. Right, that's the tomatoes and onions ready chopped up. I think I'll now switch the cooker on and heat up the butter and the olive oil. No, I think let's leave it on the big one. Right, I'm sure there's gas in this thing. I think let's get some matches. Steve, you got some matches?
On top of the fridge.
Again, these tools, they're only used to burn somebody's house down, not for cooking. I think that's going to be too much gas if I put it on low. There we go. Let's put some olive oil in. I'm not sure how much, but hold on. Steve, this olive oil, how do I get it to come out?
Pull the ring up the top.
What ring?
There's a little ring inside. Inside. That's
Oh
it.
yeah.
You got it, and then just be careful when you put it in because it will come out quite fast. There you go.
You learn something new every day. I think that's enough oil. Do I pour a bit more? Hey, have a look at this, Steve.
That's plenty.
Okay, because now I'll add. Shall I wait for the butter afterwards, or do I do it now?
Butter always at the end.
Okay. Right, there we go. Right, I think I will now crack some eggs. I hope it's as easy as cracking heads. How many do you think I should use? 2?
3 per omelette.
3 per omelette. Okay. Do I use a spoon to mix up the oil, or well, spread the oil around? Oh, the pan will do like that.
If they're large,
Shall I slow it down a bit?
yes, please. If they're large eggs, just use 2.
Are they large?
Yeah, they're large.
So 2.
Yeah, just 2 those.
Um.
Small advice now.
Yes.
Crack that into a bowl. Stir both of them, and use a fork to mix
stir.
them. To stir, yeah.
How do I crack? Do I use a fork to crack
use
it?
your hands.
What? Hang about. Let me just put this. So what do I? Should I crack it on the workboard?
You can do.
Crack it. You know what I mean? I don't want to make a mess. I'm not cleaning it up. Yeah? Oh shit. You didn't catch that, did you? Bloody hell. This is a mess. Freaking. Is it... Right, Steve, where's the bin?
It's a. It was a. It's this here.
Oh my God. Hold on, let me just... Right. I'd rather use a fork or something to crack it. I'm going to use the fork anyway. Let me crack it round so... Hey, Steve, I told you, look, I'm useless, alright? Don't laugh.
You're doing fucking amazing.
Oh, fuck it. None of the boys get to hear about this. See, that's a lot better. First one wasn't messy. Right, so I've put the... Can I add a bit of milk in it?
What?
Right, let me see if there's any milk in the fridge. Yes, there's a bit of milk here. Sweetened soya milk. Just a tiny drop. That good? Right. Peppers, do we use that or?
Only if you want to.
Nah, I think the onions and tomatoes will do. Right, so I'm stirring it. So do I add the onions and the tomatoes? Oh. Onions and tomatoes into this or into the frying pan?
Put your onions and tomatoes in the frying pan first, let them sweat for a few minutes, and then add your egg.
And all this to impress the fine young lady. Remember, Steve, not a word to the boys.
Little peep.
I think that'll do. It's been mixed good. I'll turn up the heat a bit. Put the onions and tomatoes in. How do I stir it? With a spoon?
Yeah.
Or is there... Or shall I just use the fork?
You can do.
We'll use the spoon. Is that too much heat or shall I slow it down a bit?
Yeah, drop the heat.
Tell me when, yeah?
Yeah, you good? Now you can maybe add your butter and then add your egg. When you add
How
the
much
egg,
butter?
when you like a knob of butter, when you add the egg,
Yeah.
turn the heat up, move it around with the bottom of a fork.
So butter first, yeah?
Yeah, and when it started to, when the egg started to cook out, take it off and fold it long ways.
Sorry, you're gonna have to repeat all that. Wait, let me deal with the butter first. Sure, that's not gonna be easy. Just want to open it so it's still covered up. Right, this knife will do, yeah? We'll do it. Will I be safe? I'll be safe. That much?
Yeah.
Is that enough?
Yep.
So what did you say? What do I do with the butter?
Let the butter melt.
Yeah,
Once
let me
it's
spread
melted,
it.
then add your egg. Turn the heat up.
Hold on.
And once you turn the heat up,
So
use the
sticking
bottom
to
of a
that one
fork.
side.
Use the bottom of a fork to move the omelette around, and when it's nearly cooked, take it off and then fold it over and it's done.
All the butter seems to be sticking. The olive oil doesn't stick. Right. The egg's ready, yeah? To
Yeah.
add it up. Right, what do I do now?
Use
Turn the
bottom
heat
of-
up?
Yeah, turn the heat up and use the bottom of the fork to combine it. And when it's nearly cooked, take it off and fold it over.
Right, so do I do it now, the
Yeah,
bottom?
do it now. Do it
So
now.
what do I do?
Keep the bottom of the fork on the pan the whole time.
Bottom.
Of the fork on the bottom of it.
So what am I doing? Just mixing it? That doesn't look, that looks more like scrambled.
Bring it all together, bring it all together.
Oh. This is going to become a scrambled egg. They are brought it together, I think. It's all sticking. Okay, forget the omelette business. I think we'll make it a scrambled egg. How long do I do it for? Because it's not looking very good, Steve. I think there's too much tomatoes.
It's ready.
Not enough eggs.
It's ready.
It's ready. I don't know whether you call this an omelette or a scrambled egg. Either way, ah well. Should I turn the cooker off? Yes? Well, something out of nothing. From a beginner.
Now you need to plate it.
What? Plate it.
Let's place it in front of you.
Like that. Oops, bit of a mess.
You need to give the dish a name.
Give it a dish a name.
Yeah.
Nattiala Special. The Nattiala Special. Right, Steve, if you don't mind, you know, spill a bit of egg there. and he's cleaning up.
Yeah, sure, I'll do that for you.
There you go. Should be amazing. Mmm. Well, that's something out of nothing. Done. Well,